model. What are the objectives are? First one, it is in a modal behavior mode of population capital. Second one, we have seen the key variables, future of the key variables, and second one we have seen third one we have seen exponential reserve index. Simple. First, in the population capital, behavior mode of capital, population capital, after 5 variables we have how many? Which is the important? Population. And we have seen that the population can, what is I said, that it can increase, it can decrease, it can be constant, it can be oscillatory. Yes. And it has been said that when the population is changing, it is evident that the population is changing, then it should not go beyond the carrying capacity of the environment, and if it is going carrying capacity of the environment, then the environment can decrease, that by dying the population is smoothly oscillatory. Otherwise the government and the population has to decide itself to reduce their growth rate. ये first में हमने देखा. Second one, key future variables. I said that we have seen that it is made for the predicting the how do the different 5 variables are behaving in a given period of time, and then what kind of situation it will be at that time. Means कैसा उस समय वो behave करेगा, yes or not, what will be the tendency of that variables. So it has been given from the graph में, it has been given from 1900 to 2100, and it has been said that these variables will behave some way, but it cannot be all this population industry, pollution, food production and the resource depletion cannot be exactly determined at a particular year, but it can have given a tendency in a given year. How do they behave? Understood? And thereafter we have been able to see exponential energy, exponential reserve index. If a country and a geographical region has some kind of resource availability, suppose there is a tin is available and how much it is? 775 ton, and every year consumption is, I said that 1.8, then on the basis of normal static model, it will finish by in the next 480 years R upon C. But if you are watching out, but actually the population increases, demands increases, every year the growth of consumption will increase by 2.6%, and if it is increasing by 2.6%, it will have be determined through the one another formula, and that is known as, I said, that log, there is an R into R upon C plus 1 upon small r. And it shows that in the next 95 years, if it is growing at a rate of 2.6%, it will finish. So we can be able to determine that okay, this much of it. So इसका मतलब है कि limits to growth giving us correctly takes into account the increasing rate of resources used in predicting the number of years that the resource will last. यदि मुझे rate increase rate पता चल गया, then we can be also able to exactly find out how many years it will go. Understood? समझ में आ गया? And then what are the criticism for limits to growth? What are the criticism? यदि मैं देखूं कि one of the main shortcoming of this model, it assumes the new sources as a resource would not be found. New resources को found पता लगाया, बोला इन्होंने कि new resources भी available होंगे, technology whole change होगी, हमारे पास कुछ और technology आएगी. पहले हम लोग बर्तन बनाते थे, आज के डेट में हम लोग China's plate में भी खाते हैं, and then the different kind of it. पहले हमारा चश्मा किसी और चीज का बना रहता था, आज का the specs are forming with the help of different kind of it. So if we have different new resources that has been neglected in this, I said that limits to growth. This is an incorrect assumption. New sources and alternative resources are constantly being found. Yes or no? New and alternative हमेशा हमें मिल रहा है. केमिकल टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ा और आज के डेट में टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है, तो हम लोग को न्यू रिसोर्स मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है? यस. कल को हम लोग हाइड्रोजन गैस को और अच्छे से यूज करेंगे. हाइड्रोजन गैस भी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, दो 2 वेज में हम लोग को टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड हो जाए, तो हाइड्रोजन गैस को वे बाय बर्निंग इट इन द इंटरनल कंबशन इंजन, एंड देन जैसे ही बर्न करेंगे इट विल अगेन स्टार्ट गिविंग द हीट, एंड देन हम लोग क्या देखेंगे, प्रोडक्शन. या तो विल हाइड्रोजन को विल रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन, एंड देन will the energy will produce, and then rest water will come out. So we can also make the car like this and hybrid car like this also, in this way that we can also. So we do not know which can be the next resource for us. Yes, new gases can come, and the new way of what is, and I said that production and the resource can be utilized in the future. Maybe we can stop using the, what I said that in the next 50 years, steel will I stop using. In the next 50 years, perhaps copper and then aluminum I will stop using, because the new resource will say this way the electricity can pass through. Yes. So if we have an idea in the technology changes, then new resources come into existence. So he ignored new resources and alternative resource. Understood it? Another, the other criticism of the model are weak base of data. जो prediction वगैरह बना रहे हैं, जो data वगैरह लिए, वो जितना बनाया हुआ है उन्होंने model and graph, which जो based है वो data के पास अच्छा नहीं है, weak base. Insufficient evidence for many variables. So data or evidences which are available, which is very weak and inefficient. Understood? समझ में आ गया? तो इन्होंने रिसोर्स को बोला है फिक्स्ड, वहां पे हमने इसको गलत कह दिया. We have said that, and the resource are, what is it I said that new resources are there forming, and there is also there is an क्या है new resources as well as, yes tell me, there is also alternative resources are coming. Another we have seen weak database and then inefficient or insufficient evidences for the different variables. तो हम लोगों ने limits to growth देखा. In 1968 a group of intelligentsia, they get together and they are dealing with the different international political issues for the future perspective of humanity, and they have made in Rome Club of Rome. And then with the help of this, with the help of Donella H. Meadows, Dennis L. Meadows, and then Randers and Behrens, they have publication has been come out in the form of one of the book, Limits to Growth, and they are the authors. In this one they have talked about the two things, human system and earth, relation, interaction between human system and earth. Or we can say that they have talked about not human system and earth, we can also see in the form of that the rapid growth of population, how do they are interacting with the what? Finite resources. Understood? Earth is a finite resources. They talked about, especially emphasize finite resources. Understood? Thereafter, we have also been able to see, like I said that, and this limits to growth model, which has been further, which is based on the Forrester World 2 model, and in 2004 again it has been what updated, and by the Chelsea Green Publishing Company, and then this is known as limits to growth, the 30-year update. And in this limits to growth model they have taken 5 variables and then finding out how do these 5 variables are what is in a behaving, and these are, I said that population and others 5 variables, and it has been said that the population, he has utilized Malthus book for the population, Malthus concept, an essay on the principle of population of 1798, and then the population is increasing exponentially, and he said that other resources are increasing linearly, and these 5 variables are what? And 5 variables are population, industrial production, then I said that food production, then I said that pollution, and then I said that resource depletion. Understood? And then on the basis of that one, for the limits of growth has then made 3 objectives for this limits to growth model. One, it has been model for the behavior mode of what? Yes, population capital. Another is, I said that future key variables, and then exponential reserve index. And then first it is a model of the behavior mode, as I said that behavior mode as what? Population. And then according to the limits to growth, an author is saying that the population is it is what is growing. If it is an exponentially growing, then they should not cross the carrying capacity of the environment. Yes or not? And if it is crossing the carrying capacity of the environment, then I said that either the government and the policy makers should what is make that is a growth rate to be decrease of the population, or it can be I said that otherwise environment will die them to come back again to the equilibrium by, I said, smooth way or in oscillatory. Another point it is I said that there is a future key variables that there are, he tried to give in the graph, through the graph from the 1900 to I said that 2100, and he in the graph 5 variables, how do they are behaving. So, and through the graph it can be easily predicted that at this period, in this period, how did these 5 variables showing their tendencies and behavior. Understood? But it cannot give the exact what is the values of those variable in a particular year. Thereafter we have seen what is the third, and third may we have seen exponential reserve index. In the exponential reserve index, it is talking about how do the, I said that resource availability will be available at a particular year will be defined. First one we have seen, I said that resource normal static model, another we have seen what? Exponential reserve index. In the normal static model if you are taking, it is I said that like 775 million ton or ton it is available, and every year 1.8 million ton consumption is taking, so reserve upon consumption, and it is in a flat kind of consumption. It is in a what? A smooth constant consumption is there every year. It will finish in 418 years. But if the rate of growth of consumption every is increasing by 2.6%, then we can be able to see on the basis of log, and then it is in a r into small r into r by c plus 1 then divided by small r. And with the help of this we have been able to see they will be able to sustain for how many years? They will be able to sustain for 95 years. So this way we can be exactly able to predict at this time how much resource will be available. This is clear. Then we have been able to see the criticism of this limits to growth model, and this limits to growth model criticism, I said that he is not able to say that there could be new resources in the future. There could be, I said that alternative resources in the future. This is the major criticism, but there's some other criticism is that there that he has a weak database and then insufficient evidences for the behavior of different 5 variables. Understood? This is your limits to growth model. लेकिन हम लोग थोड़ा सा और देखेंगे जिसके ऊपर बेस्ड था, that is I said that Forrester Meadows World 2 मॉडल, जिसके ऊपर बेस्ड था Forrester Meadows World 2 मॉडल. यहाँ पे अब ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है, बस मेन चीज खत्म हो गया. चलो लिमिट्स टू ग्रोथ मॉडल.